What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2023 Toyota Sequoia. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look at the rear of it, we see this panel right here. And there's a button that you just push in. And then that whole L-shaped panel will come off of there like that. And now we see this item that says up on it. This is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And on the right-hand side over here, there's these pinch clips. I know my fingers were kind of in the way there, so these just pinch together slightly like that. And then this will pull off of there like that. Then there's another item that says up on it. This is going to be the tray for the cabin filter. So this will just slide out of here like this. And normally I would change this outside of the vehicle so we don't get any dirt in there, but just for a little bit better lighting, we'll take a look at it in here. So the part that we'll actually replace is going to be the white part, and it sits down in this tray like this. And you can see here, this says up, and you want to line your arrow pointing up right there as well. And this is going to be on the OEM style filters. So if you have an aftermarket filter and it actually says airflow on it, you want your airflow going down. So if it says up and just has an arrow like this, install it with that pointing up. If your filter says the word airflow, install it with that arrow pointing down. So the filter will sit down in there. And there's just these 4 tabs that kind of hold it in that tray, so you'll just kind of work it under those. And then once you have your new filter in the tray, we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So slide that tray back in there like that, and again we're lining this so it says up and it's pointing up. Then we'll throw the access door back on, and I'm going to start the left hand side in first. Those little tabs like that. Start those tabs in, and then this side will clip on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on, and then we'll grab this L-shaped panel, and we're going to start the left-hand side in first. You can see those 2 tabs. I'm going to kind of tuck those under, and then that whole piece will snap back on. Close the glove box, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.